Are you under lockdown wanting to make some extra money online? If that sounds like you, then pay close attention to this super short video, because we've discovered an overlooked microservice that business owners are actually willing to pay for amid this crisis. It's pocketing us $100 or more in payments per client, and the service is super easy to fulfill. And you can start seeing results too in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Use our lead finder to instantly find qualified clients. Step 2. Create your client a custom demo-enabled report in seconds. Step 3. Let our software fulfill the microservice. And Step 4. Get paid. So you're probably wondering, what is this microservice? I'm talking about website pop-ups. Call them annoying all you want, but they're still effective. So why are business owners willing to pay for pop-ups during this pandemic? Well, 3 good reasons. Reason number 1 is better communication. For example, let's say there's Joe, a restaurant owner. He sees a sharp decline in sales as people assume he's closed, but he's actually open for carry-out and delivery. This problem could be easily fixed if he had a pop-up on his website that kept his users informed. Reason number 2 is they can build big lists quickly. According to a recent test done by blogger Nikki McGonigal, she found pop-ups drove a whopping 1,375% more subscribers than a standard opt-in form. Oh, wow! This means business owners can quickly build a list of customers with a pop-up. The businesses that have lists will do far better during times of crisis. As they say, the money is in the list, so business owners can leverage their list as an asset during this crisis. And reason number 3 is they can offer promotions for more sales. For example, a business could be running a 10%, 20% off Easter sale now when the Easter is near. This is a great tactic for boosting sales and getting more customers. You see why this service would be in demand to business owners? As great as pop-ups are, there is a problem. Creating pop-ups can be stressful and confusing. If you want to create pop-ups, you have to spend weeks or months learning skills such as JavaScript, CSS, HTML, which is super daunting and stressful for most. Or you could shell out big bucks to hire a well-seasoned web developer. Who wants that? I knew there was a better way. Introducing Local Popups Profit. Creating stunning pop-ups has never been easier. You're only clicks away from creating powerful pop-ups for business owners. Use one of our 15 existing templates or create them yourself with our drag and drop editor. Let me show you how easy it is. Bam! We have a fully functioning pop-up. And yes, Local Popups Profit is compatible with all sites. Simply copy and paste the embed code generated into your client's site and you're done. Detailed video training show you how to install it is also included. Also, you get 15 attention-grabbing pop-up templates, including a COVID-19 notice template, newsletter template, video pop-up template, announcement template. Remember, you're in full control as all the templates are completely editable. Want to create your own custom pop-ups? Well, you can with our drag and drop editor. And to make it super easy to find clients to sell, you're going to get free access to the Client Finder module as well. Simply enter a keyword and location and you'll instantly have mounds of leads. And the awesomeness doesn't stop there. You can close clients efficiently with a custom report. In only a few clicks, Local Popups Profit will put together custom reports that you can send to your clients. This report comes with a live demo of a pop-up, so you would be able to close clients fast as they can instantly see the value in the service. And if you act today, you'll also get a done-for-you consultant website for free, helping you close more clients and earn more revenue. If you were to hire someone to do this for you, you can expect to shell out a couple grand. Today, you get it for free when you get Local Popups Profit. But wait, there's more! You'll also receive a starter pack for free. It includes premium logos, business cards, flyers, and if you act right now, you can get Local Popups Profit at a huge discount. Here's a quick recap of everything you get with Local Popups Profit. Local Popups Profit software, a built-in lead finder, done-for-you consultant website, starter pack, step-by-step training, and a world-class support team ready to help you if you experience any issues. So what are you waiting for? To secure your copy of Local Popups Profit at a one-time investment before the price rises, simply click the button below this video. I'll see you inside.